Hello viewers, let's see how to compress MS Word file for swift sending and to occupy less space. This is an MS Word file, so let me create a copy for better understanding and cross-examination. Let me share you property of both files which is equal. Now let's open it. You can see text and pictorial data is inside. So let's first click on the picture and then click picture format. Come to left side and click compress pictures. And now uncheck apply only to this picture and click on OK. Once again go to file and come down to options, and in options click advanced, and in advanced scroll down till you see image size and quality. Now tick mark in the box discard editing data and open the box default resolution and select lowest or 96 ppi. Now click OK and save the file. It's done. Now let's check property of both file, first file and second file, and you can see a drastic change in size. So through this way you can compress MS Word file which is suitable for mailing or sharing. Thanks for watching.